Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. And even my jelly is saying hi. Say hi, say hi. Okay, let's start. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you or taught you how to correct your image which is overexposed in contrast or in brightness or in exposure. So let's see how to do that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select a picture which is bit overexposed, not bit, more overexposed. It has a lot of contrast and exposure and brightness too. And this is the new selfie which today then posted. So let's do with this. First, what I'm gonna do is first I'll unlock the layer and I'm gonna make a copy of this layer so I can show you before after easily. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in filter, camera raw filter. In camera raw filter, something like this will appear. Go in basic and it has lot of saturation, warm temperature. Just decrease the temperature, something like okay 12, and a bit tint around 2 or 3. Okay, let's keep 4, and I'll decrease the exposure. And it has a lot of exposure as you can see, and I decrease. It looks so much better than before. So I'll keep it around something okay -1.5 or -1.10. Okay, this is good. And I'll just decrease a bit contrast too. I'll keep it around -14, and I'll just increase a bit highlight. Okay, let's see if required highlights. And so this is all like just like playing. It depends on your picture, so just make adjustments properly. But yeah, just remember this all the things to make the picture more. I'll just increase a bit shadow around 38 because this picture has a shadow. As you can see, it has shadows, and shadows are not required right now. So I'll just increase the shadows around 20, and white, I'll decrease the white because it has a white, something like 7. Black. Okay, to make it look more good, so I'll just decrease black around 5. So I'll just type -5. And here is the texture. You can add a bit texture to the picture. I can always add, but here texture is not required, so you can just skip the texture, and you can just decrease its clarity because as you can see there are like dots and the face wrinkles are like looking a bit clear. So just decrease this, or you can even do this later by I'll just show you another thing to do it. So I'll just decrease it around 3. And dehaze, it depends on again on your picture. I'll just not touch this dehaze and texture. Okay, so we are done till here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open now curve. In curve, I'll just select a bit, highlight again a bit like 5, and decrease shadows from here around like 5. Okay, -6 is enough, and let's keep the light and dark in the same position because we don't have more better than before. And as you can see, it now looks more better than before. As you can now can okay, let's keep tint at minus plus 2 only, and go back in details. You can add noise to make it like to to, to remove all the noise. As you can see on the picture, to be more clear, I'll just decrease the noise. Look, there are like this face dots, and you can just decrease it by noise reduction. As you can see, it feels much better, but I'll just decrease it around 48 or like 4. Okay, let's keep it 48. And you can even sharpen the image by here, but I don't want to sharpen it. It's already a sharp image. And you can like color Now the direction too we can do, as you can increase or decrease. I'll just keep it around 8, so this is not really required. So yeah, this is how you can like make changes to make your picture look more good. And here are effects. In effects you can add grain, it will look more aesthetic, but I don't want to make it aesthetic, so I'll just keep this. And you can go in color grading. In color mixer you can like increase the red, so we can like, I'll keep it around -6, and I'll increase saturation of it. It gives a good texture on the eyelid, sorry, on the, yeah, on the lips, as you can see. So I'll keep luminance 0. I'll just make this around 12, because I don't need a maximum change, I need a minimal change. And here I like blue. You can like even change the color of the shirt by this, it depends on you. So okay, so yeah, when you're done with this, just close it. As you can see, my picture is more better than before. It is not now more overexposed or more contrast or brightness. As you can see, this was before and this is now. There's not much, and this picture looks more real than before. So yeah, we are done with this. And if you like this video, then please hit a like, and if you like, then please share and subscribe too. Thank you. See ya.